Why did they call the movie Friday the 13th? Why isn't it Thursday the 13th? Ooh, you know what I mean? Why isn't it Monday the 13th?
I think
Ooh,
because
why?
everybody mainly goes out on a Friday, and then 13 is like I guess like a curse number. So I guess that's why.
Okay, maybe so. Yeah, that sounds like a good. That's the best argument I've heard. If you notice though, too, what I've noticed, I don't know if this has anything to do with it. If the first day of the week is Sunday, and if the month starts on a Sunday, like Sunday the 1st, then it falls to Friday the 13th. But I don't know. But yeah, maybe people like to go out on the 13th on Friday. I don't know. Maybe I should look it up on Wikipedia. Should we look it up on Wikipedia instead of doing arithmetic sequences? Arithmetic sequences. We're doing arithmetic. Maybe I'll look it up while you guys are working on these problems. Arithmetic sequence. I have a problem for you guys to do. I'm just doing review problems. Okay, so get your paper and pencil out. Right? And I want you to write an arithmetic sequence for this problem. Here we go. Okay, arithmetic sequence. We have the 19th term equaling negative 45. We have the 5th term equaling negative 3. Okay, what is the arithmetic sequence? What is the rule for the arithmetic sequence? So my first question is, what is the general rule for arithmetic sequences, right? What is the general rule for arithmetic sequences? Does anyone tell me? Roberto, what is it? Do you know?
Like the equation?
Yeah, a to the n equals what?
A to the n equals a to the first term plus
Yes,
n minus
a sub
1
1
times d.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, so that's the one we're going to use. So generally what we're going to do is we need to solve for, we need the first term and the common difference to figure this all out, right? We need the first term and the common difference. So we use our terms. Let's do a to the 9, a sub 19, negative 45. Let's plug them in, right? So we do negative 45 equals a to the first times 19 is my n, 19 minus 1 times d. Whoops, I forgot my plus there. And then negative 3 equals a to the 1 plus negative 3 minus 1. No, wait. Yeah, negative 3. No, not negative 3. What should I put there? Not negative 3. What goes there? Someone yell it out so we can move on.
5.
5. Yes, thank you. Equals d. Okay, so now let's simplify. Negative 45 equals a to the first plus 18d, and negative 3 equals a to the first plus 4d. Any questions so far? We're trying to solve for the first term and the common difference. Brandon, what do I do next?
Hold on, let me flip back in my notebook.
All right. While you're flipping, Annika, what do I do next? Well, we'll get back to Brandon.
You do elimination.
Sure. Yes. How would we do that?
So you subtract the bottom line.
That's the key term I was looking for. We want to. Yes, we want to subtract. Yes, very good. We subtract. Brandon, you with us?
Yeah.
Okay, someone changes to an addition. Change all the signs. Negative, negative. You don't need to do that, but I think it's easier. Okay, go ahead and solve for D. You guys solve for D. You guys solve for D. Solve for D. I'm going to call on one of you. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to figure it out. Solve for D. I'm going to call on one of you. That's interesting.
Could you present the problem one more time?
No, because I'm looking up Friday the 13th.
Oh, okay.
Why? How dare you? I'm like doing something important here, and you want me to put the problem? Okay, I will do it. You're right. Oh, shoot. You know, I just realized I just recorded myself complaining to you guys. I just recorded. So, Friday the 13th, the first thing I looked up, it says is because there were 13 people with Jesus on the Last Supper. There are 13 people in the upper room, and Jesus got crucified on the Friday the 13th, I guess. That doesn't make sense to me. Because they're in the upper room on a Thursday. So anyway, in 10 seconds, I'm going to look up I'm going to ask you what is D equal to. All right, let's go with Alex Garcia. What'd you get? Alex Garcia? Alex Garcia! Is Alex Garcia there?
I'm here.
Oh man, what happened to you? I got nervous.
I keep getting kicked out. I've been trying to get back in. I
All
keep
right.
just getting moved out.
Did you have a chance to solve for D? Oh, Alex just okay. Ariana, what'd you get for D?
-3.
Yes, very good. -3. Any questions on how I got -3? I kind of solved it right there while everyone was looking at it. Any questions on how I got -3? Now I figure out the first term. So we do -3, and then we could either pick this one or this one to do our first term. I'm going to pick the fifth term, figure out our first term because it's easier. So we say a to the n equals a to the first plus n minus 1 times d. So -3 equals a to the first times 5 minus 1 times -3. Okay, go ahead and solve for the first term. Always forget the plus sign. I don't know why I do that. There's a plus sign right there. Alex, are you back? Nope. Carlos, what'd you get for A, your first term?
9.
Yep. Thank you so much. Add 12, add 12. First term is 9. Okay. We have our common difference. We have our first term. Go ahead and figure out what the rule is. Go ahead and solve for the rule. Rule. Ja rule. What is the rule? I'll give you 30 seconds.
Mr. Sanchez,
What happened?
I gotta go to the dentist.
Hope you don't have cavities, Donnell.
Hopefully,
He
I
eats a lot
don't.
of candy.
He does after Halloween?
Yeah.
Putting me on blast like that.
Oh, don't worry, Donnell. I have tons of cavities probably right now as we're talking. All right, Donnell, good luck with that dentist appointment. And let me know the news. And watch this video so you can follow the review because we're having a test next week.
All right.
All right, see you, homie. Okay. Gracie, what'd you get for your answer?
I got 8n equals 9, parentheses, negative 3n plus 3.
Yeah, but we can clean it up a little bit more. We can add this 9 to the 3. What's 9 plus 3? What's 9 plus 3?
12.
There you go. You want it to look like that. Because when you take the test, it's going to look like that. All right, let's move on. Are there any questions? I want to move on. All right, we're going to try something new here. Watch this, homies. Okay. Here's a summation. Is this an arithmetic or a geometric sequence? 3i plus 7. My glare, it's like glare time. Okay, arithmetic or geometric? There we go. Arithmetic or geometric, 50-50 chance. Isaac, is it arithmetic or geometric?
Let me guess arithmetic.
Yeah, very good. Because remember, it's the a times n minus 1 times d, but then we simplify it like our last problem that we did here, right? We want it ultimately to look like linear, like that. Okay. Now, we want to find the sum. Notice I did something funny here. I have 4. We're not starting at 1. What's our equation to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence? Does anyone remember? Yes, I'll call on one of you. No one, I know I have to call. Jacob.
Wait, what was the question?
How do you find the sum of an arithmetic sequence? What's the rule? What's the equation, I should say?
I'll look back.
Do you have any idea?
I'm looking back at my notes, but
look really hard.
I don't think I have it in my notes.
You can't find it anywhere?
Oh. A1 plus AN divided by 2.
All times n.
All times N.
Now, n we usually put as 20, but since I'm going from 4 to 20, there's n is actually going to equal this. It's going to equal the first term minus the last term plus 1. Let's do that for our n. Oh, no. Sorry. No. Sorry, n is equal to the last term minus the first term plus 1. The last term minus the first term plus 1. So what is my n going to be equal to? I'll give you 20 seconds to figure that out. Try have it by now. All right, time's up. Jacob, what'd you get?
What I get for N?
Yeah.
That's minus. So, 1 sec, let me try and figure that out real quick.
Wait, what are you doing right now? What are you trying to figure out?
I wasn't doing it.
Jacob, I'm gonna keep getting back at you. Stay with us, Jacob. Jay, what is the n?
I got 48.
How'd you get that? Oh, and when I say the first, I mean the last is 20 minus 4 plus 1.
Oh, okay. I actually put the numbers
The
in.
numbers in. Yeah. I'm sorry. That's my bad. I was confused, but I wanted to show it to you guys. So what do you get that for that, Jay?
17.
Very good. So here we go. 7. Oh, then we have to figure out the first term. I'm sorry. I don't know what we call it. Now I have to figure out the first term and then the last term for these. So the first term is a of 1, and then not a of 1. Not a of 1. What's my first term? A of 4, because we're going to 4. To the last term, a of 20. Okay, so go ahead and calculate the fourth term and the 20th term, because we're going to the fourth term is the first term and the 20th term. Jacob, what's the fourth term?
It would be 17 times 4. Or am I confused on this?
I think you're confused. Hang on a second. Let me see if you're not the only one confused. Let me ask someone else. Okay. Joshua, what's the fourth term?
Oh, I'm kind of confused too. Is it 19?
Okay. Yeah, it's 19.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
You're not confused. Who knows? I'm looking at you guys. I'm looking only. Who knows how we got 19 there? I didn't understand. Raise your hand if you know how we got 19. Okay. Jacob, do you know how we got 19 now or no?
No.
Plug in 4. I feel like I'm doing a bad job teaching. You guys need a real teacher. You have a fake teacher. I'm fake.
I see how you got it now.
I shouldn't be telling you this. Is this being recorded? I lied to the principal, said that I know how to teach, and he hired me, but I really don't. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, the fourth term, we plug in 4 into our equation. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 7 is 19. 12 plus 7, Then we got to plug in for our 20th term. We got to plug in 20 into here. 3 times 20 is 60, plus 7 is 67. Okay? So we have our n. Yes. Wait, was that a question or a statement? I just heard a noise.
Oh, I was gonna tell you, I got it.
Nice. That Jacob? Very good, Jacob. Okay. So now we plug in our numbers. Look at that n. See the glare? You can't see the n. Plug in the n. Plug in. It's not the first term now. It's going to be the actual 4th term because we have the 4th term, right? And then this will be the 20th term. 20 divided by 2. So go ahead and solve that. This is actually going to be kind of 19 plus 67. So just add those two, divide by 2, and then multiply everything by 17. I don't know if this review is helpful for you guys. All right, what do you get? Giovanna, what'd you get?
I got 731.
That's what I got. So that would be, you know, the 4th, plug 4 in, and then plug in 5 in, then plug in 6 in, all the way up to 20, you should get 731. Are there any questions on how I got that? Because I have 2 more problems I want to do with you guys. Hang in there. Okay, I'm going to read this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doom. Boom. Okay, now we have the geometric sequence. Series is where you add them. Sequence is where you just come up with the numbers. Geometric sequence. Okay, we have geometric sequence. We have 2 terms. We have the second term equals 12. And we have the 5th term, oh my, equals negative 768. Oh my goodness. What is the equation for, what is the rule for a geometric sequence? Anyone yell it out before I call on someone? Matthew, give it to me.
I don't know.
Can you look it up? Whoops. Do you see it anywhere, Matthew? Do you see it anywhere that you can? Anywhere? Do you see it anywhere?
AN equals A1 R N minus 1.
Oh yes, very good, Matthew. You have great notes. Great note taker.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, so we want to find the second term is given us as 12. The 5th term is negative 768. So let's go ahead and plug these numbers in. 12. Remember, we want to find this one. We find the first term and R, right? What's a pirate favorite letter, right? R. So I got 12, and then R to the 2 minus 1, which will be 1. And then my second equation is going to be, let's see, that glare. Let me move everything over. I'm trying to avoid the glare. Okay. Negative 768 equals A to the 1st times R to the 5 minus 1. And then let's take this one and get A by itself, A to the 1st by itself. Am I going too fast for anyone? Taylor, am I going too fast or am I going just right?
You're going just right.
Or am I going too slow?
No.
Okay. Ishi, how about you? How do you feel? Give me a feel.
What?
Am I going too fast?
Oh, you're good.
Am I going too slow? Okay. So we want to get A by itself. And see, I moved this over here. Wrote it in red because red is hot. Red is hot like fire. A sub 1, 2 minus 1, r to the 1, divide by r. Now, J. J?
Yeah.
Hey, you were right. You can use this to find a to the 1. That's what we were talking about before when you asked that a couple days ago. I understand what you're asking now.
Okay.
Is that cool? I know you knew what you were talking about, but Jay is right. Once we have this, we can find our a sub 1 by plugging in our r. Once we find our r out. R. A sub 1 equals, so instead of a sub 1, we're going to put 12 over r times, look, I'm plugging 12 over r into this equation up here, times r to the 4th. Because 5 minus 1 is 4. So go ahead and solve for r. Solve for r. R. Solve for r. R. Oh my gosh. That is like so annoying. I was totally annoying my wife last night while she was working. It was terrible. I'm a terrible husband. I was singing the Transformers song while she was like trying to work. You know, the Transformers, robots in disguise. Transformers, more than meets the eye. I just walk around the house singing that song. It was terrible. Terrible. All right, Ishi, what'd you get for R?
4.
Negative 4.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's going to be negative. So anyway, 768 divided by 12. I think it's 64. 64. This is negative 64 equals r cubed, cubed root. Any questions on how we got r equals negative 4? So now I can take this and, oh, sorry, all that right there. So now I can take this like what Jay said, just plug in the negative 4 here to get the a to the first power. So, I'm sorry, a sub 1, not a to the first. A sub 1 equals negative 3. Okay, what's my rule? Dang it, what's my rule? Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to solve for the rule. Should I look up Friday the 13th? Said it was in medieval times. Okay, what's the rule? I'll give you 10 seconds. Morella, what'd you get?
AN equals 12n minus 1.
Well, hang on, time out. Here's my rule. Right? Wait, 12n? Oh, wait, time out. Oh, I know you did. Okay, wait, hang on. You don't multiply them. What's my first term, Morella?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. What's my ratio?
Negative 4.
To the n minus 1. Okay, you cannot multiply these. because of this exponent here. You have to use the exponent before you multiply, so you just leave it like that.
Oh, okay.
All right? So that's my final answer. Boom. One more. I have one more problem to do with you guys. Are there any questions? Woo! I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, this is not like yesterday's. I want you to find the sum of this geometric series. First term, all the way up to 10, where we say 4 times 3 to the I minus 1. We're using I because this is I. What is my equation for the sum of the geometric series? What is my equation for the sum of a geometric series? So you got to know all these equations. That's why I'm doing this. Make sure you guys know all these equations. You know what I mean? What is my equation for the sum of the geometric series? Series is when you add them up. Let's go with Madison. What is it?
Is it in the notes?
Yeah, look really hard. You see, like, see if you can find it. See if you can find it anywhere near you at all, like anywhere.
Is it Sn equals A1, then 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r?
Yes, very good. Okay, so remember, this is the geometric rule. That's a rule right there. Remember, the geometric series, geometric sequence rule is a to the n equals a to the 1 times r times n minus 1. So a to the sub 1 is my first term. So my first term is 4. My ratio is 3, right? So you have everything that you need. Go ahead and plug in what you can for there. Plug it in. 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 Say my name. Say my name. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna ask one of you guys. I'm looking for you. I'm just going. I'm going for it. In like 10 seconds. All you have to do is plug the numbers in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, Jose. What'd you get?
Well, I know the first term is I equals 1, so it'd be 1, but what are the other ones?
No, homie.
Oh, that.
Look
Wait.
here.
Okay.
Look at. Here's my rule.
Mm-hmm.
This is my a sub 1. This is my r. Do you see a relationship between the two there? Right?
Yeah.
Think, n minus 1. What is this? What's the 4? No, don't look at your papers. Are you looking at your papers?
Yeah.
Don't look at your papers. Look at, okay, see this? Or look at, see that? See them circling that? Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at this. Do you see? Right?
Oh.
See how, okay. A sub 1, r, n minus 1. R, n.
So the ratio is 3, and the ace of 1
Yes.
is 4.
Yes.
So. All right, then. So that's what it would be.
So
Exponent.
what I put in here for my a sub 1? What number? Give me a number.
4.
4.
Oh, now I know what
minus-
I'm supposed to do.
What am I supposed to put in for my r?
3.
3. What do I put for my n? Ooh. Blink. N is the last minus the first plus 1, which is actually going to be 10. Okay, it's just this one. If it's 1, it's just going to be 10, right?
Okay, so it's gonna be 10 divided by 1 minus 3.
Okay, everyone go and solve that. Good job, Jose.
Thank you.
3 to the 10. What is 3 to the 10? That's a big number. Big number. 3 to the 10. Does anyone have an answer? I'm just solving it. If you're stuck, look at what I'm doing, but try to do it on your own. All right. Feel like calling on someone. Who's the unlucky person? Eric Jones. Ah.
What's the question?
Oh, yeah. I knew you were going to say that. Do you see what we're doing here by any chance, Eric Jones?
Yeah, I was following along, but I had to go get the door right now.
What happened at the door?
I don't know. Some random guy knocked on the door and I just walked away.
Oh, like someone came to the door?
Yeah, like
Careful answering it. Stranger danger, man. Did they leave a package?
No.
No. We're solving this problem here. Ethan, help Eric out. What's the answer?
118,096.
Very good. That's our answer. 118,096. That's if you add the first term to the second or third all the way up to 10. That's your answer. And that's all I have to show you for today. Are there any questions? Are there any questions? Whoa, I'm upside down. Whoa! Are there any questions? Ah! No questions. See you on Monday then. See you on Monday. If you want to stay after class and ask me more questions, you may. We have a test on Tuesday. Make sure you turn your homework in tonight. Homework is due tonight. Turn it in. All right. Bye, Gianna. Bye, Joshua. Bye, Jose. Bye, Roberto. Bye, Ariana. Bye, John. Bye, Jacob. Bye, Eric. Jasmine, are you still here?
Sorry, my Wi-Fi is. It's
Hey,
not
I
sending me
updated your stuff. Did you check it?
Yeah, I checked it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See you Monday.